Today we're unpacking Sinn's latest limited edition, the U1 DS dive watch. Upon first glance you'll notice this model retains many of the features from other U1 models. The solid batten hands and indices have a generous coating of luminous material and deliver excellent loom and legibility, and the sturdy case and captive diver's bezel are also present, but the notable differences are the dial and case finish. Each dial in this 500-piece limited edition is individually hand-ground with an irregular and unique pattern designed to catch and reflect light nuances. Set against the grey background, the date window stands out well, giving the entire dial a sense of depth. A small refinement on the U1 DS is the use of a black second hand instead of a typical red. The case and crown are made of high-strength, seawater-resistant German U-boat steel, which delivers outstanding anti-magnetic and corrosion-resistant properties. In addition, the surface of the case and captive diver's bezel have been hardened with Sinn's Tegument technology, rendering them especially abrasion resistant. In line with the pared-back style of this piece, the white markings on the bezel harmonise well with the dial. As with other U1 models, the crown is lowered to the 4 o'clock position to facilitate wrist movement and is also tegumented for added resilience. On the reverse, the screwed caseback protects a tried and tested automatic SW201 movement with second stop function. Each piece is tested to withstand 100 ATM or 1000 meters water resistance. Several band options are available, including a more casual leather band or robust tegumented steel bracelet. Silicone band options are also available upon request. On the wrist, the 44mm diameter wears well. The steel bezel, grayscale and flat anti-reflective sapphire crystal balance the look even further, giving this piece a slightly more formal look for a diver. Sinn's U1 DS isn't just another limited edition with a facelift. It's an improved and altered version of a much loved and well-tested classic, limited to 500 pieces worldwide. It's a look that's been well conceived and functionalised with Sinn's tech that we love so much. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this brief look at Sinn's latest limited edition, the U1 DS Dive Watch.